What is up, guys? This is Real Time Shadow, and here is how to do a kickflip the easiest way. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're back. Anyways, when you're trying to learn how to do kickflips like this one right here, you're gonna need a board to start off with, obviously, because that's how you start off skateboarding. Also, guys, one more thing, if you guys are not already subscribed, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Even one subscription means a lot to me as we're trying to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed this great video and share it with your friends. Have a great day, everybody. Let's get into it. Alright, so now that we're here and you guys got your board, we're gonna teach you guys how to do a kickflip. So you see how my front foot's hanging off to the side? That's the first thing that you guys need. You need your front foot to be sideways so you can flick off to the side of the board. And you want your other foot to be in the straight back, which my foot's not right now, but you want it to be on the tail. And you want to pop down on the tail, which is the bottom end of your board, and then flick off the corner of the front. So that's how you do a kickflip. That's the basic method. But for me, what I did when I started is I put my foot really far back, probably about the middle of the board, and I flicked directly off the side. So now when I do kickflips, if you want to perfect kickflips, you want to flick off the nose, which is the front of the board. You want to flick off the top of the nose. But when you're doing just a regular kickflip and you don't want any steez to it, you flick off to the side. Does that make sense? I think so. Yeah, so let's get into a secret tip kickflips though. So the secret tip that I have when learning kickflips is number one, to not use skater trainers because you want to know how to land on your board normally. And number two, one of the biggest things is get comfortable with your board, get all these down really well, and then go for the kickflip and try to perfect it the right way. So flick off the nose instead of the side. Because if you get kickflips the right way, it'll be much more respected than if you get kickflips the wrong way, and then you just have to learn the right way eventually. So I think it's important to learn the right way no matter how hard it is. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video useful, this how-to video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Peace out. But before we go, please subscribe. It means a lot. Even one subscription means a lot. And like the video. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace.